Hi everyone, I'm Deborah, and Rituals and I have teamed up this month to focus on finding balance again in autumn. And balance, one way to think about it is as a harmony of opposites. So when we first start a practice of yoga, we have a tendency to choose the practices that might be in line with where we're out of balance. So for example, if you're somebody that tends to work really hard, pushes, very driven, sometimes you choose the more strength or power classes. And if you're somebody who is a little bit slower or a little bit lethargic, you tend to gravitate towards the gentle yoga. And while this is very good and can also be a part of your practice, this month we're going to kind of challenge you to every once in a while doing the opposite of what you're naturally sometimes drawn to. So if you tend to be really a hard worker, try a gentler practice and see what benefits it can give you. And if you tend to be somebody who holds back, maybe try a practice with a little bit more energy and vigor. This is the way we kind of explore and figure out the benefits of this practice and how multifaceted the practice of yoga can be to bring balance and harmony to our lives and our body. Namaste. Look forward to practicing with you this month.